Are your staff stressed and headed for burnout? Perhaps you feel the same and you're not sure what to do about it.
All leadership starts with self-leadership. When people thrive, performance soars. And when leaders thrive, their teams do too.
I could give you a 10-point plan to boost your wellbeing and your resilience, but that wouldn't help at all unless you know this.
Please welcome Lauren Parsons.
I'm all about equipping and inspiring you to boost your health and happiness for life.
You don't have to choose between well-being and productivity. One actually fuels the other.
Because healthy, happy staff are more productive, more loyal and more engaged.
It was really easy, it was enthusiastic, it was relatable.
As a speaker, Lauren is entertaining, she is witty, she is humorous, she is inspiring, she gets the room moving.
My 6-part wellbeing focused leadership model gives leaders everything they need to perform at their best and to create a high performing team.
So many leaders care about their people, but they don't always understand the things that affect their staff's well-being. You can't force a plant to grow, but master gardeners, they know how to cultivate the right environment where their plants thrive. And leaders need to learn how to cultivate the right workplace environment where their team will thrive. So today I want to give you a blueprint for exactly how to do that. So these are my 5 Live Well principles.
To uplift your thoughts, nourish your body, invigorate your life, strengthen your resilience.
And to restore, to keep everything in balance. I believe that is true for every single one of you in this room today. That you, my friend, you are capable of so much more than you could ever imagine.
And I need to tell you today that you are amazing. You are precious, you are unique, you are capable, and you deserve to do things that will help you thrive.
If you're ready to lift your team culture, to boost staff satisfaction and strengthen performance, let's chat.